Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, where we're looking at park models. We have a beautiful Summit 355FL Loft. This is a blue trailer with white trim, and the greatest thing about these 2020 Summits I got is their retail price, $49.9. Come on down, we got two left. This one blue and white. It's got lights on the eaves, and it's got a entry light by the patio door, 20-gallon electric hot water heater. It's got plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor, 6-foot vinyl patio door. It's got a built-in fireplace. I got the fireplace going. There's your entertainment center. You got a rocker recliner, Mastercraft rocker recliner. You have an end table and a lamp. You have a sleeper sofa. You've got a table with 4 chairs. There's storage underneath the chairs. There's storage underneath the stairs too. See the doors back there? Here's the kitchen area. Kitchen, you got overhead cabinets, stainless steel single lever faucet, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Check out this bathroom, fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass tub surround, shower or a tub. Take your pick. Medicine cabinet, vanity, of course the full-size toilet. This is the PVC flooring. It looks like 10-inch square linoleum, but it's not. Got a nice pantry in the hall here. Let me get a good view of it. Let me move over here, maybe that'll help. Yeah, look at the pantry. And a lot of shelves. A 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Got a couple storage cabinets above. 18.5 cubic foot fridge. The bedroom is, they come with a queen and a bedspread. This has a Serta Queen mattress with the bedspread, a nightstand and a lamp. This is the Coastal Bay interior. So it's got the white cabinets, a lot of white in here, makes it feel bigger and cleaner and larger. That'll fit either way. That's what I was going to say. It fits either way, and you could also fit a king in here. So this is a queen, but you could definitely have room for a king. Now the drawers all have full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like that, so you have access to the entire drawer. The closets have lights in them. Nice big closets. It's got the traditional his and hers wardrobe. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors. Another nice feature is the electrical panel. It's located behind the mirror here, and everything clearly marked. There you go. Everything's clear. So to recap, and we'll go look at the loft. Got a slider door in the master bedroom. You got a nice hall pantry. You got tall closets. You got up high cabinets, overhead cabinets by the sink. You got 6 drawers over there. This 5-burner range, that's nicer than the stove I have at home, and the 30-inch microwave. So let's go look at the loft. It's just your basic loft, but it covers half of the trailer. Now this is the only carpet, is in the stairs and the loft. That's the only place you're going to find carpet in this trailer. And there you go. Loft height is, I don't know, I'd say 4 feet. Sounds about right. 5 feet to the max, but this doesn't have the step down. So anyhow, nice big loft there. Coastal Bay interior. It's very bright in here. You can see. Got the ceiling fan. A lot of the light comes in. If you got any questions or need some more information, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. Welcome to come and look. Again, this one is $49,900. I love saying that because that's like a 10-year ago price for a loft. Yeah, that's how bad it is. That's right. Okay, so heading on through here. One last peek in case you had any questions. We'll even look at the bathroom. Fiberglass tub surround with the shower. Yes. And over here, toilet, sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, walk around queen, hall closet. Just really too many features to keep track of. Have a great day. We'll show you the next trailer. Goodbye for now.